This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lori Scarnecchia. Enjoy stunning views of East Boca from this beautiful home. The unit features 2 bedrooms plus an extra room that can serve as an office or third bedroom, along with interior laundry facilities and impact windows throughout. It's all about location here, situated in the heart of Boca Raton near Mizner Park, the beaches, and the most luxurious shops in Palm Beach County. The communit. For more information, review the details below or contact Lori Scarnecchia at 561-289-2066.